we had a great stay here at Alpine Lake here in, I think it's Corinth, New York. It's not far from Albany North. It's a Trails Collection Park. Recommend you check it out. They got big, beautiful sites like this. It's a little tricky getting in and out. As you can see, had a great anniversary here.
Yes, we did.
And there's lots to explore in the area. So we're going to go to an awesome place in New Hampshire. So we'll see you there.
A little bit of information about the campground, some rules and regulations. This is yard sale weekend.
I know, I'm excited.
You want to get rid of.
Well, we might pick up a few things we don't need.
If you want internet while you're here, it's a separate company. You have to contact them.
Appreciate it.
These are the sites that have the yard sale.
Oh, cool.
There's your receipt. If you'd like cable, give the office a call. And if you like your stay here, you can review us on TripAdvisor. We'd surely appreciate it.
Fantastic.
All right, you're all set?
Well, thank you very much. When the park needs to work on your site during your stay. It looks like they're just digging a trench. I don't know. This should be an advertisement, right? These sites are so big that we can fit a truck, a trailer, and a tractor.
From the
Right?
County Sheriff Brady Judd. All of this connect.
This is to the beach.
Actually, it's really nice.
It's a nice park called Sandy Beach. We are near Cook and we're in the beach section of the park right now. Got a nice little playground here for the kids. Canoes that you can rent at the front up there. Little boat area. Nice little seating picnic areas here. Okay, nice. I like it. It's been raining every day that we've been here, and it shows for rain every day that we have left. In fact, today was supposed to be raining.
And it gets a little chilly when it gets cloudy.
And the nights have been like 64, 6.
Yeah.
It's supposed to get down as low as 59 here in the next couple of nights. That's a little cold for July 1st, you know.
I thought it was summer.
And the days have been in 64, 65. Right now it's 74, but it's kind of nice right now. What?
Mama Shadow?
Mama Shadow.
We're inside the playroom. You have some foosball. We can play some pool. Yes. Oh, ping pong. Look, we can play ping pong. But they have some basketball game, Mrs. Pac-Man, some TV. I don't know what that is. If you know, let me know. And then you have like this lounge room right here. You can sit down, relax. They have board games, they have puzzles, books, and you can go through here. And the good thing is they have a restroom right there, and you can do laundry while your kids play. This is so awesome.
Fourth of July. Ready? So that's the parade behind us. I will say that we are fashionably late. It just started, luckily, and we seem to find the right spot, the right people to get in here and see it. So we're excited.
And I might get a tour of the fire station.
And Caden might get a tour of the fire station. Thank you, again.
And that's the fire station.
Right there. It's a nice one too, huh?
Yeah.
Done sweating.
In a few minutes, I'm going to take a tour of that. I don't know, but I think I'm going to take a tour. I want to see the fire station.
You do? Hey, they'll be coming back in a few minutes. You want to hang out? We can show you the fire trucks on the inside?
Yeah.
Nice. Do you want to see them too?
You want to see the fire trucks, Princess?
Yeah?
Yeah?
We had some nice lady drop off cookies earlier, and I can't actually eat all of them. Could you maybe help me have one, just so I don't have to eat them all? If it's okay with Mom and Dad, we got some right down here.
Yeah.
I'll be completely honest with you. The lady that dropped them off, one of the other crews helped her out, and she was very thankful. But that crew is not here, so we're taking credit and we're eating all their cookies. That's just the way it works out.
Oh my
You
goodness.
can take one if whatever's okay with Mom and Dad. You guys can have as many as Mom and Dad say is okay.
Grab one.
What you got there?
I'm sure there'll be more breeze.
Is it a cookie? Is it a cookie? What you got there? A cookie?
Yeah.
Who'll give it to you? The firefighter? The captain from the firefighters?
He was the captain?
He's the captain. Now we're gonna go in to get out of the sun. He actually let us go inside the house.
You want to go see the ambulances first? Or wait for the other trucks to get back?
Do you want to see the ambulance first? While we wait for the fire trucks to come?
Yeah.
Let's go check it out.
Come on, let's go check it out.
Nice job.
Hey guys, will you wave at me?
Wait, Daddy.
Where are you?
Hi, Daddy.
In the ambulance.
An ambulance, nice.
A
All right.
fire truck ambulance.
Oh, this has been a great 4th of July this year. How about it?
Yeah, it really hot too.
So we are here in a town that I have been told that I pronounce wrong, Contoocook. But we're actually in the downtown area right now. I'm standing, look at that, it's a beautiful covered bridge. And then we've got a waterfall right there. The firehouse is there, and they've got on the other side of this building a park with festivities going on. They had a parade through town today, and now we're going back to the park, which has got
A beach.
This is a great way to spend the 4th of July. Caden, what's been your favorite part of today and 4th of July? Did you like the parade? What'd you like?
Getting a tour of the firehouse.
Getting a tour of the firehouse?
We got to see all the cars, and I got to get inside.
It has been an all-around cool day.
It's been awesome.
Let's see what the evening brings.
Except for the heat.
Yeah, oh yeah, it's been hot. Bad day to be wearing black, 2 shirts. Yeah, but I'll tell you what, that covered bridge right there is nice and cool when you go on the inside of it. And we're gonna go back now, eat something, and go check out the beach. How about that?
Let's go.
What you making there?
Some sausage. It's a bacon cheddar smoked sausage to make some hot dogs, and I'm gonna make some sauteed onions over there for dinner.
Nice. What you cooking that on?
My gas power fire pit and my handy dandy cast iron.
What's that behind you?
Oh, we also have the projector screen on.
We're gonna watch a movie tonight?
Yes. We don't know what yet, but we're gonna watch it.
You know what would be a fitting movie to watch on 4th of July?
We're not watching Lucy in the Long Long Trailer.
Independence
It's
Day.
out of the question.
Independence Day. I like that answer. You know, honestly, where my mind went, Civil War.
Thank you.
Well, Dad, you want to give everybody your opinion of this park?
Very nice.
Well,
Nice park.
what's one positive, one negative you can say?
Well, I don't have any negatives, but positive, it's got a lot of stuff for the kids to do, and it's a very comfortable, relaxing park.